Today, we're thrilled to showcase the Elephant Junior Rocker, a delightful addition to your little one's playtime extravaganza. The Elephant Junior Rocker comes in a vibrant blue hue, adding a pop of color to your child's playroom. Equipped with not one, but two sturdy handles on the front, one on each side, this rocking marvel ensures your child's safety while providing an exhilarating rocking experience. The handles are designed for tiny hands to grip securely, promoting balance and coordination in a safe environment. We understand the importance of proper measurements, and the Elephant Junior Rocker doesn't disappoint. With just the right dimensions, it provides a comfortable and enjoyable experience for your little one without compromising safety. Watch as your child embarks on imaginative adventures, rocking back and forth on the Elephant Junior Rocker. Ready to elevate playtime to a whole new level? Bring home the Elephant Junior Rocker in blue and let the adventures begin. Order now and make your child's playtime unforgettable. Don't forget to hit that subscribe button for more exciting reviews and entertaining content for you and your little ones. Thanks for watching, and happy rocking!